Today we are starting a 30 days Excel formula series day 1. Are you still adding marks manually? Let me show you a very simple Excel trick. So in this day first formula is sum formula. How they can work? Let's go apply. Select subject 1 and 2. Simply enter. Excel will show you total of these two subjects. Select on this plus sign, cursor on it and simply drag and drop. Excel will show you one by one totals of these subject. Again, if you calculate totals of these subject, again apply sum formula. Select these range. Enter. Excel will show you totals of these numbers. Follow for day 2 of the 30 days Excel formula challenge.